The views expressed here are personal in nature and shall not be construed as investment advice.
Hello and welcome to yet another podcast of Growth 100x powered by AD Naik Wealth. He is the Vice Chairman and the Chief Executive Officer of Mirai Mutual Fund. He is none other than Mr. Swaroop Mohanty. Jai Jagannath, sir.
Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. I think I grew up in a school which encouraged naughtiness. At that point of time, I had initially thought I would do social work.
You will do social work?
Yeah,
Okay.
I would study social work.
Uh-huh.
I was lucky that Kotak chose me and we started a journey of building an MC from the bottom.
Correct.
I was the first employee there. An old lady asked me, the owner of the shop, old lady, ki, "You've come for visit." I said, "No, work." "Work? Where?" I said, "Mirai." I said, "Hinge Park. I would like to be trusted."
Okay.
And all of us work for money.
Correct.
Let's not make any bones about it. But when you work for a owner-driven organization, as a professional, you have to be completely confident and trust that the owner will create wealth for you. And trust and time दिया जाता है ना, 2 T's. बाकी फिर प्रोफेशनल रिपे करेगा, ऐसा मेरा मानना है.
Wow. Hello and welcome to yet another podcast of Growth 100x powered by AD Naik Wealth. Now, the gentleman who is sitting on my right really needs no introduction. But still, for the benefit of all of viewers who are watching this podcast, let me take this opportunity to introduce him. He is the Vice Chairman and the Chief Executive Officer of Mirai Mutual Fund. It is under his leadership that Mirai Mutual Fund today has close to 2 lakh crores of asset under management. Also, he is the only non-Korean to be the Vice Chairman of Mirai Mutual Fund. He is none other than Mr. Swaroop Mohanty. Jai Jagannath, sir.
Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. Thank you so much for having me. Looking forward to this discussion.
It is a true honor and a pleasure to have you here, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
अभी ये जो पॉडकास्ट हम लोग करने वाले हैं, आई एम श्योर देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु ऑलरेडी नो यू. You have spoken a lot with a lot of banks, with a lot of institutions, with a lot of news channels. But today थोड़ा ना हम लोग आपको as a person जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. Right from the start, जो आपकी जर्नी शुरू हुई थी. Right? So let us go back in time. I want to know about you growing up way back, I believe in the 70s as
Yeah.
such.
1970 I was born.
Yeah, so I was right, picked the right date. Right? In the 70s, growing up in Orissa, Bhubaneswar, Orissa, if you can share something about that journey growing up.
Yeah, I was born to 2 zoology professors. So growing up as a master child, as we called, in Odia we called a son poor. So we are called master poor. So there are rules and regulations behind that. More than what you can do, there's a list of what you can't do. So you grow in that atmosphere where most of your friends are also kids of my parents' colleagues. And we stayed in those kind of localities. So life was a little different from other people. But I think what changed my life from a lot of others was at that point of time, my parents decided to put me in an English medium school. So the exposure I got was very different because people from all across societies and religions, cultures, backgrounds, economic backgrounds studied together. And that helped, I think, in growing up. Otherwise, life in 70s was very different from what it is now, and rightfully so. And you grew up with certain thoughts of the society. But that background and my ability of my parents to kind of look a little forward in upbringing led me to a life which was more forward thinking than staying in the present or getting caught in the past.
Nice. Who was the taskmaster at home? Mummy or daddy?
Dad is a strict dad, but mom can be even more vocal.
Acha.
So, like I said, both are teachers, and they brought that teaching atmosphere to home also. But I was a rebel, so I was also equal to the task, and more often than not, did let them down as a proverbial teacher's kid. But that's life, and when you look back at it, they also laugh at it. I also laugh at it.
Any particular moment that you remember that you want to share here?
No, no, too many. I think I grew up in a school which encouraged naughtiness.
Which encouraged
yes,
naughtiness?
Dramatically.
Acha.
And the naughtier you are, the more famous you were in the school. So it just came with the blood. So there have been enough instances when you stood outside the class,
Acha.
standing
You were
up.
the outstanding student.
Yes, and standing up on the bench was very, very easy for most of us. But almost got restricted from the school once, and I don't know why. My father came to know in those days, please, there were no WhatsApp, no mobile phones, but somehow those bad news always travels very fast. It happened between me and my principal in the evening, where the local bus operator refused to operate the bus if I
Board the
came
bus.
on them.
Oh.
For some reason or the other, and my father came to know of that in the evening, and so those were very different days, and that's how I got my first cycle. Because but yeah, school life was fun. It was great, and the person who encouraged this naughtiness was our principal and became a role model for us in life. Lot of learnings from him, and we kind of lead our lives based on what he taught us.
Nice, nice. School encouraging naughtiness. This is nice. I hope such schools are there more often nowadays, right? So now, वहाँ से आप college गए,
जी.
right? And your parents both are PhD holders,
Yeah.
right? And you decide to take up commerce.
जी.
Zoology के आपके parents है जिन्होंने PhD उसमें किया है, and you decide to take up commerce. So
जी.
how was that transition? How did you break the news to your parents? Science professors, PhD holders.
See, my mother retired as the principal of the college I was studying in.
Okay.
My father has also taught in that college. So all colleagues, down to the laboratory assistant, to the peons of this college, knew me personally through my nickname. Most of them have attended my naming ceremony. And they would always tell me, कि तेरा नामकरण में गया था मैं, तू क्या मेरे से बात करेगा types. But I did up to class 12 science, and my wife now had helped me pass class 12 then.
Acha.
And then I mustered up the courage to tell my father that, this is not working out. I'd have to study commerce, and you realize that, something is not for you. And my father just lost it, and rightfully so, saying that people who do that are trying to escape from their lives. And what will I tell people? That my son, and I said, it's better than telling them that my son is failing in science. He said, will you fail? I said, I feel so. And I feel I can do that better. And that's where was my biggest thing of which I kind of practice now, is that even if he did not like, and trust me, two science professors, kids studying commerce is not done in their society. But they didn't stop me. I've seen many people or many of my friends doing because they're under the social pressure. But they did allow me to study commerce, and whatever I am a little today is because of that, what can I say, permission to do so. Our societies are completely patriarchal even today.
Yeah.
When the elder says something, you can't discuss, you have to do it.
Correct.
Even today, it works like that.
Correct.
But that they allowed, I think I can never thank them enough for that.
Correct. घर पे, do you have any siblings as such? Elder brother, sister, something? If you
I have a
can
younger
tell?
sister.
You have a younger
Yeah,
sister. So what about her?
So I had taken my wife, was my friend there then, to the college, saying that, I'll take you to the college and you identify my sister.
Acha.
She asked me, what should I look for? She said, exactly the opposite of mine.
Acha.
And I asked her what my name is, because my nickname was Miku. She said, obviously it has to be Piku. So we have rhyming nicknames, but she's completely different to me, and she's a very homely, social girl, very friendly girl, has studied intensely all our lives. But if you ask me, between her and me, very little similarities, and yeah, she's one younger sister to me.
Great. और आपने अभी you were talking about your wife. So you met your wife in college per se.
Yeah, in class 11, 12, we studied together, and she tried her level best to make me a better student. But she's the better one. So then after some time, she just let me be. And she did her thing well. I did my stuff my way. It worked out since then.
Who proposed to each other?
Oh, that's a very interesting story. It kind of led into a kind of a perpetual agreement that this was going to happen in life. And I claim I do, she claims she did. So it's like
Consensus
that.
nahi hai yahan.
No, we've grown up together, and parents also liked both sides. Both the parents were quite happy, and yeah, it's like if you know somebody from class 11 and you're still together, then yes, it was meant to be.
Nice. Orissa mein, you were there, you studied your entire life, school, college in Orissa. Then you decide to go to pursue your MBA in Delhi.
Ji.
Right? I think so वो मतलब 360 degree cultural change होगा.
Yeah.
The atmosphere in Delhi at that point of time, the atmosphere in Orissa at home at that point of time. Share some of your stories out over there, your experiences taking up MBA at Delhi.
Now you're asking some very mind-opening questions, if I can put it that way, because yes, it's a very, very valid question, because we come from a state which at that point of time, now many people know Odisha.
Yeah.
Earlier you had to explain you're from Bhubaneswar, where is Bhubaneswar? Or wo Puri, acha Puri ke paas hai shayad. You know, you had to explain what is Odisha. It was not known. And I wanted to do something very different, because in the mid-80s, India started liberalizing, and that's when we thought that the careers can be very different. And I was very lucky that I was studying commerce by then, because we knew that there was scope for other job avenues, and somehow in my life I had not agreed to the traditional job aspirations of being in civil services or being an engineer. I didn't have the aptitude of being an engineer, but honestly speaking, because of the genetics or whatever, I was very good at biology also. It came with the blood or whatever. So there was this fear of me that my parents will force me to become a doctor. It's a great profession, but so I didn't have that aptitude. I respect doctors a lot, no doubt about it. But मेरे से नहीं होता है, ऐसा बहुत clear था मैं. So then the logical conclusion was to do something else. At that point of time, I had initially thought I would do social work.
You will do social work?
Yeah,
Okay.
I would study social work because I thought there was a lot of scope for that as a career. And I did appear in some interview in some of these institutes. But my father, I think, said between social work and MBA, he would pay for MBA. I mean, he said, not in that much, but he said MBA looks better. And as a guide, I kind of agreed to that. So. But going to Delhi was an eye-opener in many ways. First of all, like you rightly said, a shock. Small town person sitting with people who were extremely confident. The big town mentality. In today's word, you would call them swag or whatever you call it. It hit us. I mean, and I normally, I'm not somebody who shies away. I can sit and have a conversation, but for the first year, I was speechless. I mean, I was completely in a cocoon, not able to stand up to their communication skills, the way they dressed, everything. And I remember the first time I went, my friend took me to a 5-star, Le Méridien, the cafe, and I was actually shaking because I didn't know what to do. And coincidentally, my brother-in-law now was the captain of the cafe shop. And he came and told me, right side mat dekh, which is like the prices. Mat dekh. Then I started looking at it and he said, chhod, main order kar deta hu.
Achha.
Right. So we start from there, and then you get to learn a lot from them, how the confidence comes, how they speak, and then you start, gaining from all that.
Correct.
But initial 1-2 years was a shocker, and I'm happy that I went through that, because then you started going into your inner strength and trying to build something. Even today, you're not comfortable, but ठीक है, अभी इतना दिन बाद तो हम भी थोड़ा show. I don't call it a show actually, but you can then stand up to all that. You don't get brushed up. So,
Correct.
so that's been a very harsh but good learning.
तो हॉस्टल नहीं था, राइट, जब आप दिल्ली में थे?
नहीं, आई स्टडीड इन एन इंस्टीट्यूट. आई वाज द फर्स्ट बैच ऑफ फोर्थ स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. उनका हॉस्टल तब बना नहीं था.
ओके.
तो हम लोग कुछ 15 ऑफ अस एक बड़ा सा घर लेके रहते थे. नॉट एग्जैक्टली द हॉस्टल लाइफ विच कैन हैव, एंड दैट्स बीन अ रिग्रेट इन लाइफ. सो कि हॉस्टल में रह नहीं पाए. बड़ा हॉस्टल में 100 लोग रहते हैं, हम भी रहते हैं. बिकॉज आई फील इट्स अ लाइफ चेंजिंग experience to be independent and do your own thing. But it was small get up. We are still in touch, all of us. In fact, Monday I'm in Dubai. I'm meeting one of those friends. But it was not exactly the hostel. I wish I had one. But subsequently, when I started working, I would live, because salaries were nothing great.
Correct.
So anytime a friend of mine got a single room, either in North Campus in Delhi or JNU, we would then pile on there and either नीचे सो जाते थे और उनके beds share कर लेते थे. There I got to see what hostel life is, and I really wish I had one.
So I believe your wife is also a PhD, right?
जी, yes.
Right? So your parents must be very thrilled and happy to have one more member in the family with a PhD, isn't it?
I think they were really. I've never seen my mom so happy, and she doesn't express much on these things. But the day my wife became PhD, you could see the joy on both their faces and the pride that एक तो बहू बन रही है. Normally they don't talk much. I'm being a little honest on this one. But on the day she became a PhD, they were kind of really very happy. And the fact that maybe they had expected that from me. But like I said, between me and my wife, she's the better student by a mile or more, by miles I would say. But it's great to carry the tradition of both my parents. My mom probably was the youngest PhD as a woman in our state. My father also did his PhD quite early. So at that point of time, I don't think you had couples who were PhD as such. Now there would be many. But I think my wife getting her PhD is a huge thing for us as a family.
Great. I believe you have a son?
Yes. One son. One son.
Right. How old is he?
He's 25 now.
25?
Yeah.
Wow.
The other day on Father's Day, I tweeted that a son makes a father. And somebody had asked me with a photo, is he in a school? I said, he's a software engineer. And रात को आके बोलता है कि Dad, AI developer is better. Please mention that I'm an AI developer.
Great. How has life changed after having a son,
Very interesting question, because people normally, when you grow up, you think life changes after marriage. But I think life changes after a child. And suddenly that same person becomes completely different from a responsibility taking position. I thought I changed. My first investments actually started after my son.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, before that, I can always run the excuse of itna paisa nahi tha, but investment is not about money. It's
Correct.
about, getting the need for investing born inside you.
Correct.
But my first investments happened after I had my son. And I read this statement somewhere, so I really have lived the fact that the son makes the father. And the great part of my son is, whether jokingly or seriously, I don't know, I don't want to comment, but from his childhood, he's had one statement to make to me, ki, Dad, you don't know anything. Okay. It is a fact, and I'm being honest on this. When he says something that, this is what it is, over 25 years now, I've stopped asking him because he knows. It is a fact that their knowledge level is superior to us.
Correct.
And their ability to absorb far more, multifaceted information and process it within their brain is far ahead of what we were at that age. So yeah, every day is a learning as a father.
Correct. So after you completed your MBA, I believe you took up a job in Tata Finance, right?
No, Tata Finance came a little later. Before
Okay.
that, I used to work in the NBFCs.
Okay.
I used to work with what is, and now the organization is not there, but it used to be Apple Finance then.
Okay.
Yeah. So I started my career there with in the fixed deposit division. That's how I came into this line of resource mobilization. We used to call, because FDs was not, as per MBA lingo, a very acceptable kind of thing. And so
Terminology.
we said resource mobilization.
Acha.
But thanks to that, I got this career.
Uh-huh.
I started working, and for some reason, I had to go back home because of some family issues. And my father said, might as well stay nearby, because in Bhubaneswar there was nothing called finance. So luckily, I got a job with Tata Finance in Calcutta, and that kind of was my first big stepping stone in my career.
How has that first big stepping stone, as you said, shaped your life as not only as a sales guy, but also as a human being? The values that generally, the brand Tata is associated with ethics, it's associated with values, it's associated with trust. How has that shaped you?
See, actually, the association with the brand Tata's goes back to the family.
Acha.
Originally, my grandfather is from Jamshedpur.
Uh-huh.
So our family owes it to the Tatas for everything. And my uncle used to work with the Tatas. My grandfather, obviously. My father is born and brought up in Jamshedpur. And it's for people like us who have seen Jamshedpur from then, the ethos of Tatas actually is very well ingrained. And my grandmother was the happiest when I took up a job with the Tatas. She was like very, very excited that, chalo, next generation. And she was the saddest the day I left the Tatas, because for her there is no life outside the Tatas, But what you say is correct, upholding a brand, how to, be always consistent on what the brand stood for, because you knew that brand always stood for the good, that brand always stood for the right. And in the jobs that we do, that is absolutely important, because the job we do is fiduciary in nature.
Correct.
Our earnings, our lives, everything comes from the trust of somebody else's money on you. And I'm extremely lucky that some of that came very early in my life. So continuing that job responsibility came naturally, is what I can say. But you cannot take away those learnings in those organizations, because some people think that there is a grey world out there. Those organizations still teach you that it's black and white. There's nothing called grey. So then you imbibe that in your life and you move along with it.
तो वहाँ से जो जर्नी शुरू हुई टाटा से, आई बिलीव यू मूव टू कोटक एंड देन फ्रैंकलिन, राइट? अगेन बैक टू दिल्ली.
No, Kotak in Calcutta.
Kotak
I was one of the first employees of Kotak. In those days, a small company, and I was the first employee in Kolkata.
Share some experiences there. Huh?
Yeah, so I used to work with Tata Finance, and Kotak was my largest distributor.
Acha.
And I was very comfortable with and since we were, and like, when you work in a manufacturing distribution relationship, you get to know each other.
Correct.
So when they started their AMC, they met a lot of people, and I was a choice, and I was very happy since you said Templeton, my last interview was with Templeton and Kotak, and I prefer taking the Kotak offer, not that I don't want to comment on the Templeton offer or anything of that sort, but I was lucky that Kotak chose me, and we started a journey of building an MC from the bottom.
Correct.
I was the first employee there. We didn't have a computer. I didn't have a chair.
Wow. Okay.
So we started from there. And just when we settled down, I remember our office had caught fire. And first launch, I think we'd launched the tech fund then. Just after that, the office had caught fire. So again, back to square one. We used to work outside the lift. And build it up from there. Those were our days, but fun days in building organizations, setting up processes. I remember, coming from Tata Finance, which was a very structured, laid down company, rules and regulations for employees to set a new company. We didn't have anything then. I remember my boss was a gentleman called Mr. Prakash Dalal.
Okay.
And he'd come to Calcutta and I was asking him, Prakash, idhar to kuch hai nahi mere, what are my approval levels and all that, what are my limits? He said, ऐसा तो कुछ अभी बना नहीं है, एक काम कर, जो तू अपना सैलरी से स्पेंड कर सकता है, वो तू अप्रूव्ड मान.
Okay.
For him, probably it was just a statement.
हाँ.
For me, it became a way of life.
Okay.
Because think about it, when you think that, you can go to a certain restaurant with your salary, that became the benchmark for your office work also. I mean, I jokingly say that the day I can pay for a business class ticket from my salary, I will fly business class also.
Correct.
And suppose on your anniversary day, you go to a slightly more coveted restaurant, that's probably where you can go out on a special day. So it kind of puts everything in perspective if you put that simple role as a professional life.
Nice.
Sometimes bosses tell you things which are just a matter of fact from their perspective, but one statement completely changed the way I work perpetually. Right? So we built that up and grounds up. Today, obviously, Kotak is such a wonderful organization. There was no bank then. I remember we had come to the bank launch in Mumbai and what you call Tulip Star here.
Correct.
And those days I had a friend at the airports, the famous singer Miss Usha Uthup.
Oh.
And she boarded the flight. I said, Usha di, hi. She said, hi, where are you going? I said, I'm going to Mumbai. And she performed on that night. And I told her, you never told me you're coming. She said, you never told me you work for Kotak. So, but to see that brand unfold the way it has is just swells our heart up in so much of pride. And to say that we were there then is actually very satisfactory.
So, वहाँ से जो जर्नी शुरू हुई, right? You moved to Religare, you moved to Aditya Birla, and then I want to take you, to Mirae Mutual Fund. I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, by the time you reached Mirae, 2011 something?
2011.
Right? You must mota moti be in your 40s.
Yeah, yes.
Right?
40s.
Right? And what happens is that people generally in their 40s are wanting to stay having a secure life. Abhi shant hai, I have achieved something in life. You have climbed that ladder, right? You have gone through that rigorous journey of going through up. Generally होता है सभी के साथ 20s में 30s में हम लोग you push and the 40s and the other times where you want to reap the benefits of whatever you have put in. उस time पे, right, you decided to take up a leap of faith.
Yeah.
And you joined Mirae Mutual Fund. उस time पे, I'm sure not many people knew about Mirae Mutual Fund as a brand I'm talking about. But still you decided to take that leap of faith.
Correct.
You decided to be uncomfortable. The point I'm trying to make here is you decided to be uncomfortable. Most business owners, after reaching a certain level, don't want to be uncomfortable. क्योंकि मेहनत करके एक level पे आ जाते हो ना, then you want to be like, हाँ अभी किया है, अभी इसको करो भाई, क्यों अभी ये करना है? But you still, in your 40s, decided to be uncomfortable. Can you share your thought process at that point of time, taking this leap of faith?
मैं एक बहुत ऑनेस्ट चीज़ बताता हूँ. अगर मुझे कंफर्टेबल लाइफ लीड करना होता तो मैं भुवनेश्वर में रहता. अभी कब हमारे साथ आप आओ भुवनेश्वर एंड आई शो यू व्हाट लाइफ एक्चुअली इज. राइट, जब घर से निकले तो एक चीज़ था, two things थे actually. One which I promised my father. The other one was an internal thing कि काम ऐसा करेंगे कि थोड़ा when we retire अपना self appraisal ठीक हो.
Correct.
Right, and उसमें फिर comfort का कोई गुंजाइश नहीं रहता है. I mean, one of my bosses, we were in Goa once in one of those buses doing the tour, and he asked me, I was in Calcutta then, in Kotak days, कि भी तेरा काम कैसा चल रहा है? बोला अच्छा चल रहा है. And my wife used to work with a government company, Shipping Corporation of India. Wife का नौकरी अच्छा चल रहा है. बोला हाँ. बेटा, मतलब बहुत अच्छा स्कूल मिला है thankfully. बोला तू सेटल है गया? बोला एकदम सेटल हूँ. ठीक है, तो घर पहुँच मैं तेरे को अनसेटल करता हूँ.
अच्छा.
So I reached home and I was transferred to Delhi. Right?
Oh,
and if I wouldn't have moved to Delhi, I wouldn't have grown in my career also.
Correct.
But being unsettled is part of your life. If you're not ready to do that, फिर नौकरी नहीं करना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. Right? कुछ और अपने comfort zone में करते रहो, life तो निकल जाता है. If you have do anything in a good manner, everything has a scope.
Sure.
And the second one, when I left home, because I was not taking the traditional career paths. I had promised my father that I want to earn money, but I want to pay my taxes. So these two combine in our industry. I think the ability that the industry gives you to do something beyond what you can think of and push yourselves to grow even more, because we're hardly penetrated in this country and miles to go to see this industry of ours reach where it should be already, right?
Sure.
So that scope is always with you. And when you see something special as an opportunity, if you don't take it, then it's your loss, right? When I saw Mire Asset as a job opportunity, one, I kind of knew that they were fairly strong in South Korea, because this is the organization which started mutual funds and in South Korea. So unlike other business names, ये उनका business था, mutual fund. बाकी business से यहाँ नहीं आए हैं, यहाँ से दूसरे business. So this was their core business. तो तब 2011 were early days for mutual funds in India. तो ये एक basic understanding थी कि ये business जानते हैं. And when the discussions happened, their absolute commitment to wanting to do business in India was very clear. I asked them some very straight questions, and in true Korean style, I got automated answers on the table. ऐसा नहीं कि सोच के बताते हैं, on the spot, and that hits you कि इतना clarity जब आप देखते हो ना, वो पहचानोगे नहीं तो आपका problem है. So that was one. Secondly, see, any global asset manager कहीं पे भी जाता है, या कोई भी बिजनेसमैन अगर बिजनेस चालू करता है या करती हैं, उसको चलाने के लिए करते हैं.
करेक्ट.
राइट. कोई भी इंडिया में आता है तो इंडिया में बिजनेस बनाने के लिए आते हैं, इंडिया छोड़ने के लिए नहीं आते. फिर मेरे जैसे कोई एक प्रोफेशनल के हाथ बिजनेस देते हैं, इनवेरिएबली, थोड़ा ऑनेस्टली बात करूंगा, लोग बुरा भी मान सकते हैं, बट ये सच्चाई है. बिजनेस फिर हमारे हाथ आता है. इसको हम अच्छा बनाते हैं तो ब्रांड का बड़प्पन होता है. अगर खराब कर देते हैं तो शायद ब्रांड हिट लेता है.
करेक्ट.
जबकि हिट हमें लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमने रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ली थी. राइट, दैट्स द ट्रूथ. समटाइम्स लार्ज ब्रांड्स हैव एग्जिटेड इंडिया. They never intended to leave India.
Correct.
It's just that the business has failed.
Correct.
And people running the businesses should be held responsible for that. And that's something which I feel an accountability for a person like me should always have and take pride in that accountability. तो एक opportunity मिला, and it was a fantastic turnaround opportunity अगर इसको ठीक कर लें. And my second assessment was of the fund management team.
Okay.
ब्रिलियंट फंड मैनेजर्स थे. तो ये बिजनेस फंड मैनेजमेंट का ही है.
करेक्ट.
सो दो चीज़ चाहिए थे, एक कमिटेड प्रोमोटर, थोड़ा टाइम ज़रूरत था, उनसे टाइम मांगा था, उन्होंने ऑन द टेबल दिया था कि गिवन. एंड मैंने पूछा था कैन आई होल्ड यू टू इट. उन्होंने कहा था कि तू तो रहेगा कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, मैं तो रहूँगा, यू कैन होल्ड मी टू इट. तो देन फिर जब टाइम आपके साथ था, एक प्रोफेशनल को इतना ही चाहिए, थोड़ा वक्त चाहिए. और वक्त अगर दिया जाता है और ऑनेस्टली दिया जाता है तो प्रोफेशनल अपना तो कैपेबिलिटी फिर दिखाने पे लग जाता है. सो यस, एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू कैन मे बी से इट वाज अ टफ कॉल, बट दैट्स व्हाट अ प्रोफेशनल शुड डू, नो. So and luckily, the entire team rallied around it, and we all aspired to build a good business. And फिर at one point of time लगा कि नहीं ये कुछ अच्छा बन सकता है. फिर और भी जोर आ गई, एंड यहाँ से जैसे लग रहा है कि अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म बन चुका है, यहाँ से कुछ अगर ठीक ठाक कर दें तो और भी कुछ हो सकता है. तो उसमें लगे हम लोग.
So when you joined, what was the total team strength of Mira India में?
India was around 70 people, 70-75 people.
70.
70, जी.
अच्छा.
And the total AUM was around 464 crores total AUM.
Okay. So now the question that I would like to ask here, which most business owners would do. देखिए, and I'm looking at you as an entrepreneur because that's how your journey has been.
जी.
You have always been uncomfortable.
जी.
Right? तो जब entrepreneurs होते हैं ना, the first generation especially are the ones who will open the shutter. सेल्समैन भी मैं ही हूँ, बक्सा भी मैं ही उठा के जाऊँगा. I am the one who is going to make the call. I am the operations guy. Right? Everything is me. That's how the journey starts. Then slowly, steadily, people start joining. The very first question that these guys actually have is, how do I hire and retain talent? आते नहीं है. Talented guys will not come and work generally
Yeah.
with these people, and that has been a question that keep on repeating whenever we have this conversation. Now at Mirai, I'm looking at Mirai as one area because now you head it, but when you joined per se, I believe you joined as the head of
Head of
sales,
sales, yes.
right? And how did you as Mirai ensure to hire people and to retain them? What was your policies back then?
See, I think some clarity always came from my wife on hiring, who is an HR professional.
Uh-huh.
कि if you are joining a new place, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरा जलवा देखो करके. See what is good about the people. You know, see what is great that you can imbibe from them. So when I joined Mire Asset, there were people, and we decided that we work with them. Yes, they had a certain vision. My views were a little different. And since I had some time, I felt that since my views were dramatically opposite to what the organization was doing then or the industry was doing then, I knew thoda time lagega, but agar thoda merit mein dikhaun in our road, these are professionals, why won't they do? Right? Then once you started building some consensus internally, people started seeing merit in what was being discussed. Thankfully for me, the promoter level, there was no interference in that vision. They had left it to me, which is very rare. I must say I was distinctly lucky. Typically, global companies come to India and still try to be that global company. In India, every country has its own way of working.
True.
My biggest luck has been the organization wanted us to be an Indian outfit.
Okay.
Recently, I was in a press meet and they were saying, Swaroop, maybe you should start talking about Korea a bit because not many people know that you are a Korean company, which is a great thing that a Korean company is not known as a Korean company in India.
Correct.
But people started knowing that, and then we started expanding. To answer your question on recruiting, I have sat in the Hyatt here, not very far from here, for a full day, with 6 interviews slotted and not a single person turning up.
Oh, okay.
I've sat in what is called Lalit in Delhi, in Connaught Place, for 5 interviews and not a single person turning up. Finally, one person who was slotted at 10:30 in the morning turned up at 4 o'clock and said, Ki, since I know you, मैं थोड़ा hello बोलने आया था. So you have to see that through. It is part of the job. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो क्यों join करें.
Correct.
If you think of it from their perspective. But that is the question first you have to ask yourself, कि वो क्यों join करेगा या करेगी. First you have to make a case from that side.
Okay.
Right? And then if you are hiring people, मेरा एक ही rule है, hire somebody who is always better than you.
Okay.
नहीं तो मैं ही कर लूँगा काम.
बराबर.
Right?
Correct.
And then you hire people better than you. Then you have to build an atmosphere for them to perform.
Okay.
And थोड़ा बहुत young days में cricket खेलता था तो काफ़ी सीख वहाँ से आई है. I am always very, what can I say, I track them also of great captains. आप 70s जो हमारे एज के हैं वो शायद रिलेट करेंगे. एक वेस्ट इंडीज़ की टीम हुआ करता था अंडर द कैप्टनसी ऑफ क्लाइव लॉयड.
Absolutely.
वो टीम अगर आप देखें एंड
Malcolm Marshall and all
हाँ,
those
विथ ऑल ह्यूमिलिटी अगर मैं असेस करूँ, मे बी क्लाइव लॉयड वॉज द लीस्ट टैलेंटेड ऑफ दैट टीम.
Correct.
बट एक ड्रेसिंग रूम में हाउ डू यू manage Vivian Richards?
Correct.
You can only manage Vivian Richards by letting him be Vivian Richards.
True.
Or you let a Malcolm Marshall be Malcolm Marshall.
Yeah.
If he wants to bowl 4 bouncers in his over, maybe बाद में आप बात कर लेना, but वहाँ पे तो 4 bouncer आपको allow करना ही पड़ेगा because वो Malcolm Marshall है.
Correct.
Right? So, or you say, you look at a team under Saurav Ganguly. Okay, there is you as a left-handed batsman, there is Yuvraj Singh. I'm not saying Saurav Ganguly is not talented, incredibly talented, but Yuvraj जैसा player शायद एक बार आएगा, right? And that swag and everything. And then there is Virender Sehwag, who is completely opposite to what you stand for in cricket.
Correct.
How do you do that? Because you create an atmosphere where you first respect that talent. Second, create an environment around you where that talent is displayed 100%. The person should not be afraid of displaying that talent. And that talent can be completely opposite to yours. Right? Once you do that, a lot can happen. People think that people join places for money maybe, or they leave places because of money. No, they join places if they are able to display that talent, number one. Second, they stay in a place if they are able to express themselves properly, or they are allowed to express themselves properly. Third, and this is a very written about statement, is the culture always thrashes strategy for breakfast, right?
Yeah.
ऐसा एक माहौल बने कि उनको ऑफिस आने की इच्छा हो, तभी वो रहते हैं, तभी वो खिलते हैं,
Correct.
और जब खिलते हैं तो कंपनी खिलता है. इट इज अ
Correct.
बॉटम्स अप स्ट्रेटजी, नेवर अ टॉप डाउन. यू आर एज गुड एज योर टीम,
Correct. True.
right?
True.
And
True.
and if you don't display that in office, the other person is smarter than you.
True.
They will catch you.
True. So now, when you were building this company up, you were going for this recruitment drives to hire people, और लोग नहीं आ रहे थे. Some people. So what did you show to them per se? Because let's be honest, you did not, maybe because the company was small, you did not have the money to offer.
Correct.
Right?
Yep.
But probably you had the vision to share
Yep.
with them.
Yep.
Probably you wanted to tell them, this is what I want to build.
Yeah.
Right? Is that how you positioned it?
Yeah, see, as a business, I believe every business is a simple business. If
Okay.
you make that simplicity continuous ना, फिर एक पावर बिल्ड होता है. वो जो पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग हम कहते हैं, 10-12%, 15 साल में क्या बन सकता है, बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं.
Correct.
बट 10-12% आप 15 साल तक वही करते जाओ ना, एक बड़ा चीज़ बन जाता है.
True.
So, how do we showcase consistency? Why people, when we approach distributors, a small fund, and clearly the maturity of the market is very different. The way small caps, small businesses or small fund houses were perceived in 2011 and the way they have been perceived in 2024 are completely different, right?
Yeah, true.
बट अगर आप छोटे हो तो आप एक अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, ये दिखाने के लिए आपको वक्त भी चाहिए.
True.
So once we started showcasing consistency to the market, people started joining.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And you don't have a choice. वही रास्ता है. There is no shortcut. With professionals, some professionals have taken a year to join me. And with some professionals, discussion 6-8 महीने चल रहे थे. और उतने में ही वो ग्रोथ देख रहे थे. तो अच्छा डिस्कशन चालू हुआ था 500 करोड़ में, अभी 2500 करोड़ हो गया. चलो कुछ ठीक बोल रहा है बंदा.
बराबर.
तो एंड जो भी बोलना है ड्यूरिंग रिक्रूटमेंट, बी एब्सोल्युटली ऑनेस्ट.
Okay.
एंड आई एम सेइंग दिस विथ कंप्लीट ऑनेस्टी. अगर कहीं पे मैं कंप्लीटली ट्रूथफुल हूँ, वो मेरे एम्प्लॉयज़ के साथ हूँ, वहाँ पे कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता. बाकी जगह आई एम अ सेल्स गाय.
Yeah.
थोड़ा डिप्लोमेटिकली मैं आंसर दे दूंगा, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ.
Correct.
बट विथ एम्प्लॉयज़, इफ इट्स अ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, इट्स ऑलवेज अ डायरेक्ट
Direct
आंसर. अगर वो आप माहौल मेंटेन करें, एंड ऐसा नहीं कि सब साथ देते हैं, कभी कभी कंपल्शन में आके people leave also, there's
Yeah.
nothing wrong, but I had a boss who had told me two things, that you can never know the culture of the company when you join, before you join.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Because another friend had told me the focus is on you when you're outside the company. जब अंदर आते हो तो बहुत चीज़ होता है. So these things weigh on you. So, and this boss had told me that when you take an offer letter,
हाँ.
always insist on taking it at the place of work, जहाँ पे तू काम करेगा.
Okay.
And वो दिन ना कुछ भी बोल के go to the washroom. The washroom will show you the habits of the people. इतना ही तू परख सकता है. Think about it.
Wow.
तो वो मैं करता हूँ.
Wow.
For 14 years I have not done it. That's separate issue. But he said the culture of the company will be known to you in the way they leave you.
Correct.
उस दिन तेरे को पता चलेगा ना ये कंपनी का क्या औकात है,
Correct.
कितना डीप है,
Correct.
क्या. तो हम तो ये मानते हैं जब कोई आता है तो उसको आराम से जाने देते हैं. इनफैक्ट आई एम वेरी लकी दैट अ लॉट ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज एक्चुअली हैव कम बैक टू अस. एंड पहले तो ईगो था कि यार छोड़ के गए हैं हम लोग क्यों. एंड बट इट्स ऑलवेज गुड that they come back to you because they recognize the virtues of the company. It has a great spillover to the existing people कि देखो वो भी आके बोलते हैं why they came back.
Correct.
But these two things, simple things, if you keep in place and create an atmosphere, and especially now when the demography is changing dramatically and the young have a very different way of working than say I did. And in my office, if you take 3-4 of us out of the equation, the average age just plummets.
अच्छा.
तो उनके लिए एक एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करना,
हाँ,
दैट इज लाइक अनलर्निंग माय पास्ट.
Correct.
तो दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ द जॉब. तो
Correct.
अगर ये करें तो लोग क्यों नहीं रहेंगे,
true.
राइट?
True.
जब हम लोग चालू किए थे, प्लीज मेक नो मिस्टेक, joining our company was similar to joining a very small business.
Correct.
Maybe
Correct.
now we are beginning to take a shape where things are looking different.
True.
But till recently, और ये जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कुछ ज़्यादा दिन पहले की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
True.
कोविड के पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ.
True. Yeah.
ओके.
Yeah.
तो बट देन जो आते हैं उनके साथ उनका ग्रोथ जर्नी प्लान करना,
हाँ,
ट्रांसपेरेंटली प्लान करना कि ये हो सकता है, ये नहीं हो सकता है,
हाँ,
रॉन्ग कमिटमेंट ना देना, और डिस्प्ले ग्रोथ्स. धीरे धीरे आप ग्रोथ लोगों का डिस्प्ले करोगे इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर्स. तो एग्जांपल, और इसका मेरे हिसाब से ना कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है.
करेक्ट.
आपका ओनली आंसर इज टाइम. एंड एज अ मैनेजर इफ यू कैन डेलीगेट कंप्लीटली, तभी ये बनता है.
ट्रू.
अगर हर चीज़ के लिए वो आके फिर से मेरा अप्रूवल के लिए आए तो ये एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं बनता, ऐसा मेरा मानना है.
Fair. That's fair. You just spoke about culture eats strategy for breakfast, which is fair. I agree with that completely. How do you now, as the top boss,
Yeah.
right, ensure that there is this culture where everyone is looking to get up and go to office?
Yeah.
Because I believe टॉप डाउन होता है वो.
जी, जी.
वो ऐसे ही बोल के कल्चर ऐसे होना चाहिए, ऐसे बोल के नहीं होता.
जी, जी.
पीपल ऑब्जर्व,
Yeah.
पीपल लुक एंड
Yeah.
पीपल ट्राई टू इमिटेट.
Yeah.
Right? वो चाहे घर हो या ऑफिस हो.
True.
Right? So what are the steps that you have taken to ensure कि that culture is been shared और सभी को वो कल्चर के साथ लेके जाना है, स्पेशली एज यू सेड, 4-5 लोगों को अगर मैं निकाल लूँ तो द एवरेज इज जस्ट प्लमिट्स.
जी.
तो वो लोग तो पूरे अलग ही है.
हाँ. हम इस बार इनफैक्ट इन द एनुअल ऑफ साइट हम लोग तीनों को एचआर ने खड़ा किया ऑन द स्टेज
अच्छा.
कि यू हैव टू डांस, एंड द ओनली थिंग, ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम नॉट जोकिंग, आई कांट डांस. Okay, I listen to a lot of music, but I can't dance. But when HR told me कि स्वरूप, the whole organization sees the three of you on stage,
हाँ.
माहौल ही पलट जाएगा.
Correct.
Right? Which I agreed to.
हाँ.
तो somebody recently told me कि वो इतना stupid video था ना तुम लोगों का, but people had a ball, right?
Correct.
But the person who proposed this to me was a young girl.
Oh, okay.
कि स्वरूप ये तो करना पड़ेगा. And I said ठीक है मैं हाँ बोलता हूँ, because I was sure the other two will say no.
No.
My other two CIOs, Nilesh and Jaju, I was telling them वो तो मनाही कर देंगे, फिर मैं बच जाऊँगा.
Correct.
फिर मिस्टर जाजू सेड कि ठीक है दिखाओ स्टेप्स, मैं प्रैक्टिस करूँगा.
Okay.
एंड देन नीलेश सेड कि मैं तो आउट परफॉर्म करूँगा इन लोगों का.
Oh.
तो मेरा खत्म हो गया कहानी. फिर मैं बोला चलो उधर जाता हूँ, उधर जाके एज अ बॉस मैं मुकर जाऊँगा.
हाँ.
ओके, आई विल यूज माय वीटो पावर.
हाँ.
तो पता चला कि उधर जाके देन द गर्ल हैड सेड कि नहीं, आई विल हैव कोरियोग्राफर फॉर यू, वेरी इजी स्टेप्स, डोंट वरी.
Okay.
तो फिर मैं फंसा दिया मेरे को, मैं गए, हम लोग गए.
हाँ.
What I'm trying to say is this is young girl in the company who's asking the CEO, the CIO,
हाँ.
the two CIOs
Correct.
to dance in
Correct.
front of the employees.
Correct.
First of all, I give credit to the girl to come and propose that to us, knowing very well
Correct.
कि I don't dance.
Correct.
Right? And they've tried and failed miserably. Secondly, I was told that एक उधर हो गया कोरियोग्राफर. पहुंचा तो कोई कोरियोग्राफ नहीं था.
अच्छा.
बोला कोरियोग्राफ मैं ही हूँ कोरियोग्राफर.
अच्छा.
Okay, but I realized when we took the stage, my performance was pathetic. I don't even want to see those photos or that. I've not seen that video again. But fact is, the impact that he had on the entire gang was something I'll not forget.
Correct.
But see, first of all, you have to respect everybody in the company. And what I do today is what I've learned from my bosses. I've been very lucky to be working with people who always maintained a flat structure,
हाँ.
who always had an open door,
हाँ.
who always never flinched in anybody asking them anything. Anything meaning anything. And for that, if the answer is a little tough or bad, the answer has to come.
Correct.
If the answer is against that person also, the answer has to come. So, first thing, first and foremost, whatever I know, all employees should know about the company. There is nothing hidden, probably excepting salaries, which are confidential, on policies. There will be nothing that I know which the company does not know, which
Correct.
people in the company, down to the last mile,
Okay.
that this is what the company is all about. This is what the company wants to do. Okay, there is nothing hidden with hierarchy at all. That's point number one. Keep the company as simple as possible.
Okay.
Hierarchy hote hain for the job profile, but the bottom person can jump hierarchy and count the topmost person if the bottom person knows that this is right for the company.
Correct.
And then you have to build a thing where the middle person, who is slightly higher, is also okay with it. Because if it is good for the company and that thing works out, sabka bhala ho jata hai.
Correct. Fair.
Right.
Fair.
Problem happens with two aspects. One is insecurity kills people. The other, I do not know why this word ego is there, because the word itself is false. Log kehte hain na, false ego.
Correct.
It's actually one word. It cannot be. They don't go otherwise. It's together.
Correct.
ये दो आप eliminate कर सकते हो. Easier said than done. I agree.
Yeah.
So any place can be a fun place.
Okay.
If a person gets to that comfort कि मैं अपना काम करूँगा या करूँगी, वो recognized हो जाएगा और end of the year ठीक ठाक हो जाएगा. मे बी एक साल नहीं हो, वो भी बता देते हैं कि ये साल इसलिए नहीं हो रहा है. एंड अगले साल हो जाए तो ठीक है. समटाइम्स पीपल से कि हमें वो चाहिए. वी वेरी ब्लंटली से कि नो, यू आर नॉट गुड इनफ.
अच्छा.
ऐसा यू हैव टू बी ट्रूथफुल. वो जो अप्रेजल प्रोसेस होता है ना,
हाँ.
इज एक्सट्रीमली बोथ साइड्स.
Right.
पीपल हैव टोल्ड मी दैट आई एम नॉट अ गुड सीईओ.
Oh.
हाँ, ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Okay.
बस ये थोड़ा चाहिए तुमसे अभी. ओके. एंड बोलना भी चाहिए. हाउ विल मैं तो सोचता हूँ मैं जो कर रहा हूँ सब ठीक कर रहा हूँ, राइट?
Correct. Correct.
But if people don't have that liberty to come and tell me that this is place is somewhere where you faltered,
Correct.
then job is not done at all. So it works both ways. I tell what I feel is right for the person's growth. The person also tells me shortcomings of the organization, and together we try to build it. And that is open to every person in the company.
Correct.
And we work hard. And trust me, one big part of my company is the 2-3 days when we really get together annually. In those 2 days, we party harder. I have this saying that if a guy can do a Nagin dance on the floor, a girl can also do a Nagin dance on the floor. Okay,
Correct.
and that's how it should be. So we have fun for those 2 days, but the rest of the days we are a Korean company. We work very hard.
A question here, because we just spoke about being a Korean company. It's a family managed business, right?
Yep,
It's,
yep.
it has
Owner
a
management business.
Owner
Owner
management, right? There is a
Yeah,
promoter
not
driven.
family. The son works with us, but he's not management. My owner manages.
Right.
He's the founder and the chairman of our company.
Correct. So now when I'm asking, because again, a lot of business owners have this family managed business structure and they don't know how to hire professional to run the show.
yeah.
It's generally the father, then the son, and people in the family who are there in the top management who take decisions and things that way. I'm looking at with the perspective that you are a professional who is been hired by an owner, a promoter, owner, to run an organization here in India. What were the things that you looked at when you had that conversation with him, when he asked you to take over as the CEO as such? What was the conversation, or what are the things that you looked at to feel comfortable कि हाँ भाई मुझे जो CEO का position मिल रहा है, right? Because the mindset changes ना, head of sales and CEO, it's a completely different role as such. तो वो जो आपको offer किया, तो what were the things that you looked at?
No, I think I got to meet him after almost 4 years of working for the company.
Okay.
And मुझे पता नहीं था कि वो एक job में Seoul गया था. कि kind of an interview process for the CEO. There were 2 of us.
Oh, अच्छा.
कि he was kind of checking whether ये हैं कि नहीं.
हाँ.
And what I liked about him is we had heard कि ये ऐसे, he's a cult in South Korea.
अच्छा.
Mr. Hyunju Park is a cult.
अच्छा.
रास्ते में I've gone into souvenir companies, souvenir shops, and an old lady asked me, the owner of the shop, old lady, कि I've come for visit. I said, no, work. Where? I said, Mire Asset. Hinge Park. He's like that, you know, he's known to every Korean.
Okay.
Because of what he's achieved. 27 years ago, he was a salaried private fund manager. Today, he's a global investor, self-made man.
Yeah.
I'd heard about him. But when he sat in front of me, his ability to portray that going forward, if things happen in India, the person who takes that chair will be the person who can do it for him.
Correct.
And somehow, you know, that honesty in his statement was very infectious. Later he tells me, because he doesn't know too much English, maybe, but his English is perfect.
Acha.
Right? And from then on, what he's demonstrated, and that's probably every professional kind, at least I do, I would like to be trusted.
Okay.
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 I don't think in my office right now many people know that I'm sitting here doing this. But people know कि बैठा है तो कुछ तो कर रहा होगा.
Correct.
For Mire Asset. Office time में इतना ही चाहिए.
बराबर.
And secondly, if a professional is recruited, then again what I said, the environment for that professional to express himself or herself. और ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Correct.
Third, थोड़ा encouragement या encouragement तो नहीं बोलूँगा, acknowledgement. Acknowledgement, I'm not talking about monetary acknowledgement or anything. Sometimes if you see my chairman I sitting, you will not know who's the owner, who's the employee.
Oh, acha.
I find that shocking about him. How can he is the owner of Mire Asset Global.
Correct.
But he can make you feel like God.
Wow.
Right?
Okay.
And that sincerity, when it's done over a period of 8-10 years, you know that he means it. Right? His ability to trust you 100% is what defines everything about my being in Mire Asset. Right? And when you are trusted like that, then you reciprocate.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Makes sense. Yeah.
बनता है कि अब तो मुझे भी that trust का I have to pay back that trust and it becomes a very different relationship. उसमें ना पैसा आता है बीच में, वो तो कभी ना कभी हो जाएगा. See, when you work for an, is my understanding, when you work, and all of us work for money, let's not make any bones about it. But when you work for a owner-driven organization, as a professional, you have to be completely confident and trust that the owner will create wealth for you.
Correct.
Right? If you don't have that trust, then don't work. ऐसा मेरा मानना है. वो फिर आप अगर ठीक काम करते हो तो ओवर द पीरियड वो हो ही जाता है.
Correct.
वो एक आउटकम है. और आप में अगर कॉन्फिडेंस हो ऑफ माई वर्क, ऑन योर वर्क, तो आउटकम होता है. वो किसी चीज़ में भी आप देखो.
Correct.
अगर एक फंड मैनेजमेंट की काम करते हैं, अगर हमारा फंड मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस अच्छा है तो लोग पैसा देंगे.
Correct.
पहले पैसा नहीं देंगे. दैट इज एन आउटकम.
Correct.
बट आपको अपना प्रोसेस ठीक रखना पड़ेगा. वैसे ही एक वर्क प्रोसेस है. बट एज अ प्रोफेशनल हम ये चाहते हैं कि हमारा ओनर हमें ओन करें, हमें ट्रस्ट करें. ट्रस्ट के साथ थोड़ा टाइम दें. वो टाइम डेफिनेटली डिफाइन हो सकता है. नहीं बॉस इतना टाइम, वो हम एग्री कर सकते हैं. राइट? एंड व्हाट आई रियली लाइक्ड, पहले जब मैं ज्वाइन किया था तो मैंने 3 साल टाइम मांगा था. 460 करोड़ का ईवीएम था. 3 साल में मैंने टारगेट दिया था 1500 करोड़. लेकिन मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताऊं, एज हेड ऑफ सेल्स, नॉट एज अ टीम मेंबर, एज एन इंडिविजुअल आरएम, 460 से 1500 भी छोटा होता है. और जब उन्होंने हाँ कहा था तो मैंने विश्वास नहीं किया था.
Okay.
3 साल टाइम दिया था. 3 साल में एक भी कॉल नहीं आया मुझे.
Wow. Okay.
दैट इज द ग्रेटनेस. कि कैसे कॉल नहीं करोगे, क्या यार ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, अभी ये थोड़ा बेटर कर सकते हो. नॉर्मल कॉल्स होते हैं ना.
Correct. Correct.
बट वो जो कॉल नहीं आया वाज अ डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट फॉर मी. और हम 1500 से आगे थे. टारगेट थे, थोड़ा सेल्स के बंदे हैं तो थोड़ा तो टारगेट मार ही देते हैं.
Correct.
उसके आगे रहे. बट वो जो कॉल ने, बहुत लोगों को मैं समझाता हूँ अभी जो मेरे एसेट ज्वाइन करते हैं कि ये मेरे एसेट है. तो जब हमारे पास जब ज्वाइन करते हैं लोग काफ़ी कोलिग्स है मेरे, आप पूछ लीजिएगा, नहीं नहीं मैं तो ऐसा फास्ट करता हूँ, मैं बोलता आराम से टाइम लो, हाँ, अंडरस्टैंड योर जॉब प्रोफाइल, बिल्ड योर ओन स्टाइल, योर लास्ट कंपनी एंड दिस कंपनी आर नॉट द सेम, उधर जो चल रहा था उधर इधर शायद नहीं चलेगा, सो यहाँ परख के अपना स्टाइल बना, मेरे पास बहुत टाइम है, राइट, एंड ट्रस्ट एंड टाइम दिया जाता है ना, 2 T's, बाकी फिर प्रोफेशनल रिपे करेगा, ऐसा मेरा मानना है।
वाओ।
बट वो कहना बहुत इजी है, करना इम्पॉसिबल, और मेरे साथ ये डिस्प्ले हुआ था, तो मुझे डिस्प्ले करने में अभी कोई मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस है कि वो
करेक्ट। एज अ सेल्स गाय, okay, you have been a sales guy throughout your life, right? I want to ask you, and especially again, I'm coming from the business owner's perspective here. How do you give targets to your team members?
जी।
Yeah. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, बहुत बार मैं इनसे जब बात करता हूँ ना, दे कम विथ वर्ड्स लाइक 400% बढ़ाएंगे, and you, the end guy who is going to be the feet on the street guy need to believe in that target for him to go and do it. ऐसे ही बोलने के लिए मैंने हवा में बोल दिया तो कोई मतलब नहीं होता. There has to be some logic to it, or some thought process that have gone by. How do you do that annually? Probably when you have that discussion with your team, how do you do it? What is that measurement?
देखिए, whether you believe or not, I'll tell you what happens in मेरे asset.
Okay.
हमारा टारगेट एक बॉटम्स अप स्ट्रक्चर है.
Okay. Bottoms up.
हाँ, नीचे से आता है टारगेट.
Okay.
जब आप एक माहौल क्रिएट करते हो,
हाँ,
तो जब नए लोग आते हैं, अभी थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया कंपनी, तो वी गेट पीपल फ्रॉम अदर फंड हाउसेस, उनको 1-2 साल लगता है टू बी ट्रूथफुल टू दिस प्रोसेस, विच इज ऑल्सो अपने सिस्टम में फैक्टर्ड इन है.
Correct.
बट द यंगेस्ट और द नीचे से बोला जाएगा, ये साल मैंने इतना किया था, अगले साल मैं इतना करूँगा या करूँगी. हम यही बोलते हैं कि अपना इज्जत रख के वो डालना टेबल पे.
Okay.
राइट. डू थिंग्स विच आर राइट टू योर ओन मेरिट
Okay.
एंड अंडरस्टैंड योर ओन कैपेबिलिटी. उसके बाद ट्रूथफुली डालो, फिर उसको हम मिलाते हैं एंड एक एनुअल फिगर डालते हैं.
Okay.
The only 2 years where we have not achieved targets are when it has been top down.
Oh.
Only 2 years. I'm giving you data for the last 13 years. 2 साल मैं थोड़ा हीरो बना, मैं बोला कि नहीं हम लोग ना ऐसा करेंगे, वही 2 साल हम गलत गए.
Okay.
But when you leave it to the, again I'm bringing back that same point, when you bring it to a trust level, and trust is 0-1. Either you trust or you don't trust. Simple.
Fair.
Okay. We are Koreans. We are 0-1.
Yeah.
Yes, no होता है. There is no maybe. तो ट्रस्ट करते हो. More often than not, they will be honest and push themselves to a level where they will say इतना होगा. और जब वो खुद डालते हैं ना, and I'm just being, I'm not trying to say anything outside the box or anything. You have seen our growth. Our growth is fair, right? And जब वो डालते हैं, फिर सब फैक्टर करके डालते हैं.
Correct.
And जब ये डालते हैं, फिर खुद पे अकाउंटेबिलिटी लेते हैं.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
And that is a process which we do an NFO, और बाजार में हमारे मार्केट में NFO ही होता है. We have not done a single NFO with a target.
Oh, wow.
Right. NFO is left to the salesperson कि उसका तो साल का ये टारगेट है. How he or she uses the NFO.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
We treat the NFO as the starting point of the product.
Okay.
कुछ पैसा लेके चालू करते हैं, फिर प्रोडक्ट का पोर्टफोलियो दिखाते हैं, उसका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड बनाते हैं, फिर हक से पैसा मांगते हैं.
Fair.
It is not an asset gathering tool, and this probably you can say कि चलिए, since you said I'm a sales guy, over the years I've put myself in the other person's shoe. What I don't want my boss to tell me.
Correct.
अगर ये नहीं बोलेगा ना, तो ये साल मेरा परफॉर्मेंस देखो. So try to get into that psychology a bit and create a sales environment where the salesperson खुल के काम करे.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
We don't do a daily कि ये कल कहाँ गया था बता.
अच्छा.
Right?
हाँ.
गया ही होगा. और धीरे धीरे you will see that people align to it. When you talk about culture, एक वो culture बना दीजिए, तो people then Okay. So that is how we've built bottoms up.
Okay.
Trust the team to take you forward. कुछ अगर थोड़ा इधर उधर हो, I come in and say कि maybe मुझे लगता है ये ट्रेंड चलेगा. Why don't you give it a thought? Then they go back and again talk. Like suppose right now they're talking about some funds they want to push, and I feel trend थोड़ा core funds के लिए आएगा. So we are having a debate कि नहीं यार वो ठीक है, but ये core मत छोड़ो. I'm seeing people coming back to the core part of the business. तो वो मैं बोलता हूँ. But whenever this figure then goes to my head office.
Yeah.
And I have not seen my head office disagreeing with the growth pattern that we put.
Okay. Okay.
So I've been lucky, you can say. But ये process, the only 2 years when it didn't work was when I tried to be the boss.
बट अभी जैसे आपने कहा ना, जनरली मोस्ट फंड हाउसेस बोलिए या ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस बोलिए, इंक्लूडिंग फैमिली मैनेज बिजनेसेस, दे हैव दिस डेली हडल बोलिए या अ वीकली हडल बोलिए, जो भी नाम इसको देना है दे दीजिए, बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट कितना बिजनेस किया, क्या किया. दैट्स हाउ सेल्स इज ऑलवेज, राइट. क्या कर रहा है, क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, वो डंडा मारना बहुत ज़रूरी है, डंडा नहीं मारोगे तो भागेगा नहीं. दैट हैज़ बीन दैट फिलॉसफी. What is the approach that you have followed in your organization to ensure that, although I put in the number, but to ensure that they are on track? Or
it is a very, again, everything is behavior, everything is psychology.
Correct.
हम क्या करते हैं, डेली नंबर सबका एक मेल में सबको भेज देते हैं.
ओह अच्छा, डेली नंबर सबका एक मेल में सबको
जाता है.
ओके.
सबको पता है कौन क्या है.
ओके.
तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, जो बंदा एकदम बॉटम में है,
हाँ,
वो जोर लगा देता है.
करेक्ट,
राइट.
बिकॉज एवरीबडी नोज
की, एंड ऐसा भी होता है धीरे धीरे ओवर. सपोज मेरा 5 साल अच्छा गया है, पीपल ऑल्सो नो कि नहीं ये साल उसका थोड़ा चल रहा है, अगले साल वो मार देगा. राइट.
करेक्ट.
बट फिर डंडा नहीं मारना पड़ता है.
हाँ.
Right, and then you create what I feel are responsible salespeople. And ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आप बहुत मेहनत करो. हमारा एक स्कूल का कहावत है कि every day is not Sunday.
करेक्ट.
वो साल आपका चले ही ना. Sometimes आप कुछ ना करो, वो साल आपका चल जाएगा. ऐसा होता है. But we put the transparent numbers to everybody. There is nothing hidden.
करेक्ट.
अगर ट्रांसपेरेंट है तो ट्रांसपेरेंट है.
हाँ.
People sometimes I worked will pay where the north does not know what the south is doing. ऐसा नहीं है, पूरा फिगर जाता है सबको, marked to people in Korea also.
Okay.
Yeah, पूरा सबका चित्ता खुलता है every day. Right, and then some people take it positively कि नहीं यार ये चल रहा है. Some people say कि यार ये साल मेरा चल ही नहीं रहा, मैं क्या करूँ. होता है. But as long as the sum adds up to the annual figure, we are okay. Then the respective heads factor in किसका बुरा दिन चल रहा है और किसने काम नहीं किया. दोनों होते हैं. जो काम नहीं होते वो काम नहीं करते, they are called out transparently in front of every people.
वो called out transparently.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हाँ, कोई हिडन नहीं है. वो अगर उसको बेइज्जती मानता है तो उसका प्रॉब्लम है.
Okay.
But I have not factored many. I mean, in 13 years, lucky that ऐसे 1 or 2 cases शायद हुए होंगे. But लोगों का खराब टाइम चला है, ऐसा काफ़ी होता है. And that is when the organization has to stand by them.
Correct.
I am very clear that तुम्हारा अच्छा दिन चल रहा है, शायद मैं नहीं रहूँगा.
Correct.
बुरा दिन चल रहा है तो फ़ोन करो.
Correct.
Right.
Correct.
तो that's कोई चिल्ला चिल्ली नहीं होता है मेरे एसेट में. ये जो कॉल करके क्यों नहीं हुआ. I had this young boy joining us from another fund house, and I asked him कैसा चल रहा है. बोला बहुत ठंडा है. बोला अच्छा क्यों. बोला सर कॉल वॉल नहीं होता है. मैं बोला अरे एमआईएस देखा. नहीं सर मेल सेटअप नहीं हुआ, एमआईएस नहीं आया. बोला ठीक है एमआईएस देख लेना. फिर एमआईएस आया एंड फिर फोन आया, सर ये तो गजब हो गया. बोले क्या हो गया, ऐसे कैसे नंबर हो रहा है. So again, I mean, our numbers are transparent in the market.
Correct,
You've seen
correct.
our numbers,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
But again, it's about that environment, it's about that culture. Sometimes it doesn't work, right? But it's okay. In the long run, it will work. ऐसा हमारा 100% confidence है. And again, if you trust the person, the person will reciprocate.
Correct.
पहले जब कुछ आते हैं लोग कि अच्छा इतना लिखने से शायद बॉस इसका बढ़ाएगा, तो I know first 1 or 2 years people are not putting the number as per their potential.
Correct.
Then by the third year they know for themselves, कह रहे नहीं यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, डालते हैं ना यार.
हाँ. But then you don't intervene at that point of time in the first or the second year. If
No, I
somebody
don't.
goes,
Let them
थोड़ा
learn.
सा कम डाल.
कुछ नहीं.
अच्छा, nobody intervenes.
See, again the team will teach them,
हाँ.
right?
हाँ.
It all falls into place. The problem starts when you have more people growing and then people bring their previous organization experience to this organization. That's something which I have observed, and I tell them. There comes a time with me and a lot of my employees, on that day I call them, sit them down, कि आज से वो company खत्म, I will not hear that word, आज से मेरे चालू.
Correct.
So I know कि कुछ दिन कभी-कभी 2 साल चलता है. Sir, in that organization this is fair. But that was that organization. Nothing for, nothing wrong, nothing right. But we have our own way. So I know कि वो सोच रहा है कि नहीं, या सोच रही है कि यहाँ पे ऐड होगा. But then they realize वही डाला. Then at the end of the day when you are assessed, जो ज़्यादा मारता है उसको भी उसी हिसाब से reward मिलता है.
Correct.
Then
Correct.
they also know broadly किसको ठीक मिला है, किसको ठीक नहीं मिला है.
So let's say if I just a question again out of curiosity that we are having this conversation, मैंने numbers कम डाले, okay, but I do exceptionally well.
हाँ.
Just for simplicity, 100 था, मैंने 110 डाला, ऐसे ही number ले रहा हूँ, but मैंने 500 किया. When you are assessing him or her, right? How do you look at them? कि
फर्स्ट ईयर बेनिफिट ऑफ द डाउट देते हैं.
अच्छा.
बिल्कुल. सेकेंड ईयर सेम ट्रेंड मारता है तो अदर पर्सन थोड़ा बहुत अदर पर्सन के बाल भी पक गए हैं थोड़ा, तो वो मैं ये बोलता हूँ जो सफ़ेद बाल जो काला हुआ है उसका थोड़ा तो इज्जत दो. So you get called and then they fall into place. I've not had to, I've faced the first time कि under commit and over deliver ऐसा एक statement भी है. फिर they know that it's better to deliver.
Right. How have you built a second line of command? Right. बहुत बार क्या होता है ना, why am I asking you this question? बहुत बार जो हमारे business owners होते हैं, they are the chief firefighting officer. Everything happens, they are the guys who have to look into everything. They are the ones who have to decide क्या करना है. मतलब मैं नहीं हूँगा तो रुक जाएगा कंपनी. It happens with them, Now you, having worked with a startup, you have built that culture, you've taken it up from ground level up, right? How have you built that second level so that Swaroop is no longer the chief firefighting officer as such?
See, I am not the firefighting officer of the organization.
Okay.
The fiduciary responsibility lies with me.
Correct.
Okay,
Yeah,
make
fair.
no mistake. I work for that. I aspire to uphold that responsibility.
True,
And
true.
I'm really proud that I have been given that responsibility. बहुत कम लोगों को नसीब होता है, correct? But the departmental heads take their call. कभी-कभी मैं भी पूछता हूँ कि इधर बॉस कौन है यार, थोड़ा पूछ लिया करो. No, ऐसा नहीं है, but I am consulted. But I must tell you that, and I am extremely happy and proud to say this, that delegation of, see, we set parameters at the beginning of the year.
Okay.
Within those parameters, it is the departmental head's call.
Can you give an example for
We
this?
don't have, I'll give an example. There is nothing called please approve in my company.
Okay.
That discussion happens at the end of the year. That
Okay.
parameter is set. I am doing this. Accounts के लिए शायद एक please approve आया होगा. Right? But decision making has already happened.
Okay.
Unless somebody goes beyond that and is proposing something beyond all that, then I'm brought into the picture.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And then sometimes we get the board into the picture also. If we are
Okay.
deviating or we want to do something very different from what we had proposed, then I also go to the board to discuss that. But otherwise, broadly, see, I'm very, again, very fortunate that I have very capable senior colleagues working with me from South Korea. And because the Korean markets are a little more developed and little advanced, I get to see or learn from them some things which will happen in India in the coming times.
Okay.
So I have this great platform where I am able to see a little bit of tomorrow.
Okay.
Right? But again, if the process is steady, the process is laid down.
Okay.
And this is what I've learned from working with Mary Asset over a period of time. Processes are very clearly laid down.
Okay.
जैसे बचपन में मेरा एक लिस्ट था मैं क्या नहीं कर सकता हूँ,
हाँ.
वैसे एक बहुत क्लियर लिस्ट है क्या हम नहीं करेंगे.
Okay. Okay.
और वो नहीं करेंगे लिस्ट डिस्कस भी नहीं होगा, जितना भी बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी हो ना हो.
Okay.
अगर डिसाइडेड था कि जब तक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फंड मैनेजमेंट का नहीं बने हम स्मॉल कैप नहीं करेंगे, तो लास्ट 2 साल से 40-50% अगर फ्लो का स्मॉल कैप में जा रहा है, हमारे कंपनी में डिस्कशन ही नहीं है कि स्मॉल कैप करें या ना करें. वी लेट गो ऑफ द अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज वो हमारा स्पेस है ही नहीं.
Correct. Okay.
इफ एट अ मैक्रो लेवल एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ.
Sure.
अगर हम डिसाइड करेंगे विद डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ये करेंगे, बट बाकी फंड हाउस कुछ कर रहे हैं जो हम नहीं करेंगे, तो मजाल है किसी का इंक्लूडिंग मी कि वो डिस्कस कर ले, हम शायद ये कर लेते, तो वी विल बी कॉल्ड आउट कि देन यू आर नॉट मेरे एसेट. विल बी कॉल्ड आउट वेरी ओपनली.
अच्छा.
कि ये यार क्या एक्सपेक्ट किया था तेरा एक्यूमेन का, और क्या डिस्कशन हो रहा है. Sometimes it becomes ugly in those discussions.
Correct.
Because if you're saying this, then you're getting personal about the person.
Yeah.
It's true कि अगर decide किया तो decide किया. So that clarity if you keep, then things become very easy actually. तो करना ही नहीं, यार उसने मना किया था तो क्यों उसके बारे में सोचो, घर जल्दी जाते हैं actually.
Correct.
So yeah, and then we come to office at 9. That's our only rule. We also go home at 6.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो वो फिर simplicity आ जाता है ना धंधे में.
So you have that somewhere down there, the work-life balance culture जो बोलते हैं वैसे.
No, try करने से there's always a miss, quite honestly, and I can justify a lot, but see, you have 2 families.
Yeah.
Your office family and your घर का family, and you work hard in the office family to keep the घर का family happy, right?
Yeah.
And पहले ठीक था, but अगर मैं deep down honestly बात करूँ, last 1 year the biggest problem in my life has been मेरा time मेरा नहीं रहा.
Okay.
And I don't know how to sort it, but कोशिश कर रहा हूँ अगर उसको थोड़ा better manage कर पाऊँ, but maybe roles कुछ change हुए हैं उसको लेके this apportion of timing is not working out in the short run. Normally Saturdays I'm always, but lately थोड़ा वो वहाँ भी जा रहा है life, which is right or wrong I'm not commenting, but if I can do it a little better I'll be happy.
So you spoke right at the start about playing about playing cricket, right? Do you follow that passion now?
I'll give you an interesting incident. A friend of mine, a very pedigreed cricketer, in fact he was the captain of the Dhoni World Cup playing team, Mr. Ranji Biswal. And he's my college captain also, and we were discussing deterioration of people's games.
Achha.
And he very laughingly said he has not seen anybody deteriorated as much as I do.
Achha.
I have done. Because see, every game, if you played it a little seriously, needs a lot of respect. Anything.
Correct.
Either you play it in that right manner or you play it as a hobby. When you stop playing it in the right manner, then you're not doing justice to that, like any job.
Correct.
So, for some reason, I could not. Then the game I was playing was not what I associated myself with.
Acha.
फिर I stopped.
Correct.
So, I don't play it anymore. And secondly, which I miss. Maybe sometimes I'll go back. My younger brother again started playing, so we are a family of cricketers. So my first cousin, he's gone back. He's playing some senior citizen India now.
Oh, wow.
So he was telling एक wicket लगा और bowling चालू कर.
Achha.
So maybe I'll go back and doing that.
So you were a bowler?
I was an off spinner.
Oh, you were an off spinner.
Yes. So
Nice.
Maybe someday I'll go back there. But no. But what's come about lately at my age is my fitness. So now I've started concentrating on my fitness. So I started going to the gym, completely contrasting to my earlier approach. I used to hate going to the gym, but thankfully I go 3 times a week, and yeah, it's helped me a lot. I needed strength back, and I'm beginning to build strength back. I'll need it if I have to live for another 20, 30, 40 years, which I want to, but then I have to be physically fit. It's a late learning, and that learning came from my chairman only.
अच्छा.
And somebody asked me, working with me, how has it been? He must be full of this thing. I said, 13 years in the company, all he's asked me is take care of your health. But for some reason I wasn't. But now I'm very health focused.
नहीं हो रहा है. ऑनेस्टली मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, वी हैड दिस डिस्कशन इन द ऑफिस और द डिस्कशन वाज विथ रिगार्ड्स टू योर एज. ओके, एंड ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई सेड नहीं, स्वरूप मस्ट बी इन हिज 50s, nobody agreed. Said नहीं कुछ भी मत बोल, this he must be in his late 40s, not in his 50s.
My son is 25.
Exactly. मैंने उनको अभी this is going to go and I'm going to tell them, see. But honestly, you have really taken care of your health really well. मतलब it is showing off.
Yeah,
वो
thank
जो
you.
दिख रहा है. So
Thank you.
the effort that you're taking. My couple of last questions to you before we wrap this up. One of the things that business owners always keep saying is that I want to build productivity in my team.
Yeah.
उनको ऐसे लगता है ना, and the thought process is a little different, and I take you back to your startup days, उनको ऐसे होता है कि although people are working, they are not 100% productive, they could do more.
Correct.
But they're not doing it, right? और उससे खून खौलता है
जी.
उनका. How have you managed to look into this? How have you ensured that your team could be, let's say, 100x productive? Right? How have you done that?
See, initially when we started, and I remember when I joined, we did a very honest heart-to-heart discussion with the team, because the job was not easy then. It was an uphill task.
Correct.
And we sat together and we promised ourselves just one thing, and that is the only controllable in our lives, is that we will work hard. We will work harder than any of our competition in the market. And as a person, I feel that is my only controllable. Right? And even today I threaten the sales team कि तुम 5 कॉल मारेगा तो मैं 6 मार दूंगा.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तुम करो तो मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा मेहनत करूँगा. And I threaten them with that. And I try to work more than that. अभी थोड़ा एज कैचअप कर रहा है, that's separate issue. But I promise my team कि तुम जितना मेहनत करोगे उससे ऊपर तो मैं करके ही दिखाऊंगा. And I believe that you have to lead by example on that.
Correct.
Right. You can't say something which you are not doing. Right? If a person is doing something, then and they are dependent or they fall back on you, then you should be one up on that, on hard work. See, on skill, there are enough people more skilled than you. Everybody is more skilled than you. Knowledge, the people will definitely be knowledgeable. You can't beat them at all on that. You shouldn't even attempt. आप अपना knowledge लेके चलो, अपना skill लेके चलो, उसके साथ अपना 100% hard work डालो. ये आप 30 साल करोगे तो रिजल्ट आएगा.
करेक्ट.
दैट्स द और कोई सीक्रेट है नहीं हमारे बारे में. राइट.
ट्रू.
जितना भी मैं कुछ बोल दूं व्यूज, यू विल ऑल्सो एसेस कि नहीं, स्वरूप का व्यूज ठीक है बट उसका व्यूज थोड़ा उससे बेटर है. राइट. बट अगर आप 3 बजे मुझे बुलाओ और 250 में बाहर बैठा रहूं तो देन यू विल से कि नहीं ठीक है. दैट इज माई कंट्रोलेबल.
करेक्ट.
राइट.
करेक्ट.
So that is how we build it bottoms up. We promised ourselves that we will work hard. We promised ourselves that we'll work table to table. Right? And thankfully everybody rallied to it. I mean, I am very proud to say that I've worked here for 13 years. I have not seen that getting slack with our growth or people now shying away. And that's probably also learning from the Koreans. In my interview, I was told that they come to office at 8 o'clock in the morning and go home at 8 o'clock in the night.
Wow.
And they work 7 days a week. And I said, okay, I am Saturday, Sunday, but Monday to Friday I'll work. And recently my Korean colleague was asking me, Swaroop, with your schedules, how are you managing your wife? And I was telling him, great that you notice. But yeah, those challenges always remain, that you know, the family thing that we discussed.
Correct.
But there is no compromise to hard work. Is the only thing we bring to the table as a gang, as a group together. And I am extremely happy to tell you that, you know, you can check my team out. If somebody says कि वो बैठ गया ऑफिस में, and कोई बैठ गया होगा, होते भी हैं, they are called out in public.
Okay.
I can name and shame them.
Okay.
ये क्या हो रहा है? And thankfully, I must compliment them. They have given me that liberty. कि स्वरूप तो बोलेगा फिर. और जब मैं बोलता हूँ ऐसा कोई गाली वाली नहीं, मैं सिंपल बोलता हूँ यार. क्या कर रहा है अभी. But very few people have given me that chance. Extremely fortunate. If you see across teams the way, and because see, we come at 9, we go at 6.
Correct.
Somebody new joins us, calls us stiff, calls us कि नहीं यार, you don't have much fun. इसे 2 दिन पार्टी करते हैं ना, right? But when you work in that environment, you come to office, do your work, you go home. Call us stiff, call us whatever, I don't care. I know enough people जो दिन में 4 बार नीचे जाते हैं सुट्टा मारने के लिए, वो नहीं होता है, right? They are also called out. 4 बार जा रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, right? It's like that. So you build a process of hard work now, and you say, and I'm saying that time and again, I will aspire to beat my team on hard work.
Wow. Now, final thoughts, any books, any movies that you would like to recommend to people, just something that has touched you, something that has given you a different perspective, आपको कुछ अलग सीखने मिला इससे, ऐसा कुछ है?
ऐसे बहुत है. See, movies, I am an addict.
Yeah.
Because earlier, when work has a different